Yep, we're here with card number 16 of the deck challenge. Three of spade. Can somebody tell him thank you? Hey, my creatives, it's your girl Tina, and today we're going to be working with Chips by Pebbles. This is an ephemera pack that deals with nothing but cooking and food items, kitchen items, and I've had this in my stash for some time. Can somebody say they're ready? Ready, 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 ready. Here's card number 16, the three of spades. So you all, here's that bread laying on the bread plate, and I took it. I added some little interest with my white gel pen. You could really bring your ephemera to life by just adding a little doodle here and a little doodle there on top of your ephemera. I love it. Can you all see where I added the white gel pen? Cute, cute, cute. All right, I just put that on top of a little snippet of lace trim, crochet trim that I had. All right, this card, you all, seriously, is all about the background. I was trying to create a backsplash of a kitchen, and I used to try to achieve this. I pulled out one of my stencils that I had. All right, and I used the transparent texture paste by Ranger. And so what I did was went in and laid down the tissue paper, and then on top of the tissue paper I used 3 distress inks. I started off with tea dye, and then on top of the tea dye I put some vintage photo, right? And then I went in and laid down the texture paste with the stencil. I had to let it dry, and then on top of that I went in with some rusty hinge distress paint, and then I used a baby wipe on the third application of the distress paint. I used a baby wipe, all right, and wipe the panels. So the panels are like really clear, and you see the vintage photo and the tea dye through the little panels. But the lines or the creases of this whole card, you see the rusty hinge. You all, I wish you could see it in person, because when I say it's so nice, it is gorgeous. And then I felt like it was just floating. The card was just too open. So to bring it all in to my eye, I went around twice with some stitching around the edges with a zigzag stitch. And I felt like that just closed it, brought it in, and man, it's awesome. And the texture on this, I wish you all could feel the texture. The texture is like crazy fire. Oh my goodness, I love it. All right, so I took 2 little tags that was in my stash because I really wanted to focus and be able to see the texture and the technique and the end result of this backsplash. So I didn't want to have something that stayed permanent to cover it up. So I chose to take 2 tags. I stacked them. I cut them. I put some trim lace, crochet lace, I should say, on each one of them, a different one. And then I took this best recipe and put it on top after I inked it with some vintage photo distress ink, right? And these tags move. Okay. So I could, if I wanted to, I could use this as a recipe card. I could put some here, journaling here, a recipe there. I could put something on there, and this comes out. I did not glue the bread down. I love this card, you all. Tell me what you think. Again, it's all about building my techniques in this challenge. It's all about playing with unfamiliar mediums. It's all about trying different things. You all, I'm having so much fun, and I'm discovering what techniques I like, what techniques I need to work on, and what techniques doesn't work for me. I invite you to come out and play with me. All you need is a deck of cards, right? Look around your room and begin to create. All right. So if you would like to participate, please use the hashtag Tina Deck Challenge. So I will be able to go over there every now and then and put it in the search engine and find everybody that has decided to come along and play. You do not have to do all 54 cards. Jump in where we are, or do a card a week. You can do a card every other day. Only do 1 week if you want to. Just come play if you would like to play some cards. As always, family, wash them hands, stay safe, stay blessed, and do what? Keep creating. I'll see you tomorrow with card number 17. Talk to y'all.